9?
Yeah.
Alright.
Humidity
Here I am at the airport.
44%. Wind.
Come here to crank up my baby, see how it's gonna go. You take over. Daddy.
Precipitation
It's
0
on,
inches.
it's on.
Pressure 92.97 IN capital HG. Visibility 10 miles. You can see 10 miles. And he's going to start up the plane, or try to. UV index 0, air quality index 8, air quality good. Santa Clara, good. Air quality New York, air quality good. Yantian, where's the air quality? Where air quality feels like 106 degrees in Vientiane, haha, because the humidity is 49% and chance of rain 10%, and wind is 2 miles per hour, so you don't get that cold. Anchorage, air quality good. Waldorf, air quality good. He's in the plane. He fiddles with the thing. My hand's too shaky for this. Oh, he's starting to play. Oh, start playing. Plane go vroom. Oh, look at that. The plane start. There's a mosquito outside the car. And then run away. Bum, 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 bum. Bum, bum. Bum, bum. Looking side to side. Checking the controls. There's a light. Never noticed that before. Ophelia. He turned it off. Like a clock. Want to be a SoundCloud rapper? You gotta know the music. Feel the rhythm. No. How dare you? How dare you do this to me? Oh. He disappeared. Who knows where he went?
I'll come back, fill it up tomorrow. So it cleans right up, so it's good. No problem. Yes.
Better be careful, Dad.
All right.
You're gonna have to cut the clip. I'm about to zoom in on your face.
Whatever. Okay, that's good. I'm happy. Let's go home.